Here's some shortwave radio trivia. Subscribe. What device transmits long-distance signals? Is it A, amplifier, B, receiver, C, transmitter, or D, converter? The correct answer is C, transmitter. Which frequency band is used for international communication? Is it A, microwave, B, shortwave, C, UHF, or D, VHF? The correct answer is B, shortwave. What year was the first commercial shortwave broadcast? Is it A, 1925, B, 1921, C, 1923, or D, 1927? The correct answer is C, 1923. Who is known as the father of radio? Is it A, Guglielmo Marconi, B, Alexander Graham Bell, C, Nikola Tesla, or D, Thomas Edison? The correct answer is A, Guglielmo Marconi. Which famous radio station broadcasts in shortwave from Germany? Is it A, Voice of America, B, Deutsche Welle, C, BBC World Service, or D, Radio France? The correct answer is B, Deutsche Welle. Which radio band is known for global reach? Is it A, VHF band, B, AM band, C, shortwave band, or D, FM band? The correct answer is C, shortwave band. What major world event popularized shortwave radios? Is it A, Great Depression, B, World War II, C, Cold War, or D, moon landing? The correct answer is B, World War II. Name a popular amateur shortwave band. Is it A, 20 meters, B, 60 years, C, 40 kilohertz, or D, 15 megahertz? The correct answer is A, 20 meters. What term is used for shortwave frequencies that can be received at night? Is it A, long-wave reception, B, distant signals, C, daytime fade, or D, nighttime propagation? The correct answer is D, nighttime propagation. What is one benefit of shortwave radio during emergencies? Is it A, limited frequency range, B, high power consumption, C, global reach, or D, local broadcasting? The correct answer is C, global reach. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.